Hey there, Sydney Brown here, top writing tip of the day. So, when you want to make sure your reader understands what happened to your protagonist and they need to know a little bit of something, so that they can kind of get up to speed. You do want to give some backstory, absolutely, but don't give too much backstory, at least not at the very beginning, because then you're just info dumping. It's not really backstory so much. If you have that much backstory, maybe you need to look at doing a prologue instead, or a prequel. Whatever it is that is needing to be given to your reader so that they know what's going on, try just breadcrumbing it, and then you're building up their character, you're developing their character over time, and it actually works out a lot better. So make sure that you avoid too much backstory. It just turns readers off. I will be right here. I hope you subscribe.